got a quick review for you here on the Ohubo F89 drone. Came in this nice little box there, folding tabs. Came in this nice little case. Everything comes together in this nice little zip-up case. Pretty sturdy. A nice feel to it. Let's see what's inside. So, looks like we got charger, some other small pieces. Let's get that open for you. Right out. Let's see. Charger, gotta have that. Looks like it comes with some extra propellers in case they come apart on you. You got some extra ones here just in case. Hopefully we won't need them. These are like some kind of braces. Let's look into it and see what they go for. So, here we have the batteries. Looks like it's a dual battery. Very nice, very solid. So, here's the actual unit itself. Comes folded up like this. So, oh yeah, they just pull right apart. There's another. Boom. There we go. There it is, fully open. Power button right here. Looks like it comes with just a battery port right there. Just looks like it snaps right in. Just like that. We'll have to charge it though. Little camera, lights. There is the remote. I believe these braces are to hold your phone in place. So what you could do is you could actually see, you could connect it to your camera phone and you can see exactly what you're doing through your phone. So the remotes, once again, you're gonna need some batteries for this. Looks like 3 AAAs you'll need for the remote. It's not too bad. All right, we'll fold that back up. Battery cover, do not forget that. And you got a backup battery in case this one dies on you. You got a backup one. So that's actually really good to have. Not too bad. Pretty good size. Got a nice little sleek look to it. Something out of those Terminator movies. Not bad at all. I can't wait to get this thing up and flying. Thanks for watching, guys.
once my son's old enough, my wife and I are going to start backpacking again. And I've always wanted, when I'm out in the backcountry, to be able to get some higher up shots. And this is a packable drone. So I took it on its inaugural flight. It really surprised me how long this small battery actually let it fly for. And big plus is, one, for backpacking at least, or if you're transporting it, it fits in that. Also, again, for backpacking, 2 batteries included, which is absolutely awesome. And then also, you don't need an extra charger to charge the batteries. It plugs right into the wall from there. Awesome. Pretty intuitive. I wasn't even a video game player, but you see all the arrows marked. It's pretty darn easy and easy to put together. I'll take some photos of it all folded up, but all 4 of these blade guards come off, and then every 4 arms. So basically, if you wanted to not even put it in this, I mean, you could, and then 2 replacement blades. Very cool, very small, high resolution video, easy to fly.